Meet Scan2Card, the smart, paperless and effortless way to capture, manage and share event leads. No more lost business cards, messy spreadsheets, or complicated lead tracking. Scan2Card brings everything into one simple digital experience. Scan2Card lets exhibitors scan visitor badges or QR codes to instantly capture contact details. Every lead goes directly into an organized dashboard. Clean, secure, and ready for follow-up. Exhibitors can simply log into their Scan2Card exhibitor panel and with one tap, scan any visitor's badge or QR code. Lead details appear instantly. You can add notes, rate the lead, or tag the visitor based on your interest. Organizers get a powerful control panel, track live analytics, monitor exhibition engagement, and view visitor activity in real time. So, whether you are an exhibitor or an organizer, Scan2Card makes events faster, smarter, and more productive. Scan2Card. Scan, save, succeed.